Egon, see if there's anything on this bird of Kildarby and Tobin's spirit guide. Something you ate, old buddy?
It's a big bird, Peter. A very big bird.
Then I assume this shadow don't mean a chance at thundershock.
How do you catch a 500-pound bird?
With a 200-foot worm?
Watch out!
Get in the car. It'll give us some cover when that bird comes back.
It should take about 29.4 seconds for a bird that size to circle, realign, and attack.
Great. Plenty of time for us to come up with a brilliant plan.
I vote we just get out of here.
I second that. Ready?
11 seconds.
No problem. Anyone want to play cards?
Get this heap started.
I'm doing what I can. It's an old car.
Get moving.
Thanks.
How are we gonna beat that thing?
I don't know.
Here he comes.
Oh, fricassee that vulture. Say, Ray, did you manage to grab me a copy of today's paper? I'm thinking of looking for a new job.
We better come up with something quick. I'm about to run out of road.
Egon, can the ecto-containment unit hold this ectoplasmic parakeet?
It could, but we've no way of capturing it. The traps are too small.
Well, I think I've got a plan. Ray, you might want to turn off that siren. I think we're attracting its attention. Never mind, Ray.
Hold on to your seats.
Gotta go now, Cheryl. The bosses are back.
I'll get it ready. Let me know when you've got it.
No, we thought we'd keep him here as a pet.
By joining this trap directly to the containment unit, then...
Duck.
Wait a minute. You can't fool me. That's no duck.
Get ready, Ray.
Ready!
Hit it.
Got him! All right!
Well, so much for the Kildarby Canary. Janine, honey, when you build a city for this one, make sure you throw in a new garage door.